How to fix app not install error on Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can fix that issue of your app not being installed on your device. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so, but before that don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to fix that issue, one of the main things you can do is just head over to the main settings of the device. After that, you're just going to scroll down a bit until you're able to find the option called apps here. Just click on apps, and here just wait for the apps to be loaded on your screen, or you may just head over to the search bar directly and type in Google and wait for the Google apps to be available. So here you can see this option called Google Play Store. First of all, click on the option called Google Play Services and wait for the screen to be loaded up again, and you're just going to scroll down until you're able to find the storage option. After going to the storage option, you can find this option called Clear Cache at the bottom right. Just click on Clear Cache and then get back. After clearing the cache of Google Play Services, you're going to clear the cache of Google Play directly, the application from where we download games and each app. So you're just going to go to the Google Play Store application and then go to the storage and clear the cache of this particular app as well. After that is done, you're just gonna go close the settings and head over to the Play Store application of your device. After going to the Play Store application, at the top right you can find your profile here. Just click on it. And after going to the Google Play Store, you can find this option called Play Protect. Just go ahead and click on Play Protect, and you can find this option settings at the gear icon at the top right. Just click on it, and you can find this option called Scan Apps with Play Protect and improve harmful app detection. So you're just going to disable both of this option, turn off both of it. In order to do that, if you have provided any kind of security on your device, just provide them first and turn it off. After that is done, again head over to the main settings of a device, and after heading over to the main settings, you're just going to go to the app section again and tap on the three dot at the top right, and you can find this option called Spatial Access. Just click on it and go to Install Unknown Apps. Navigate the option called Install Unknown Apps. Just click on it, and after clicking on it, you're just gonna go like from where you try to download the devices from. For example, if you have gone to Chrome, you're just gonna go to the Chrome and enable the option. If you are trying to install any applications from other applications as well, you're just going to enable the option so that the application can be downloaded on your device. So that's how you basically fix the app not installed error on your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.